Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the MyDeals application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box, and then type in and search for the MyDeal app. Once you find the application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the MyDeal application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you can tap on the open button in order to open up the app. Once you open it up, you can proceed forward with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start using the MyDeals app on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is in order to download and install the MyDeal application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.